Thank you for your interest in Journaled, a newly released Android personal journal application to help you remember life's important moments. We hope you agree that Journaled is an easy-to-use mobile, private diary and that you will see value using the application to help remember important experiences, whether they were a nice dinner with friends, catching that big fish, or pretty much anything else you'd want to remember. We hope you find the use of Journal to be intuitive. However, to help you get started, this video provides a quick tutorial into the Journaled application. The Journaled Android application provides the ability to quickly enter, find, and remember a broad range of activities. The types of activities that can be journaled include major life achievements, like hiking a tall mountain, experiences you might want to share with others, like a great dining experience, or logging more routine daily activities like exercise. Unlike intrusive social media, Journal provides a way to keep private things private, but also offers the flexibility to share with others if you wish. A key feature of Journaled is location awareness, where the application keeps track of where you were when you entered an activity. To take advantage of location awareness, be sure to enable location services on your Android device. Now let's get to a quick tutorial to help you understand how to perform these actions and use some of the other powerful features within Journaled. After starting Journaled for the first time, you will be presented with a brief tutorial and terms of service agreement you must accept. After exiting the tutorial, you will see a screen called the Journaled List View. Perhaps an oversimplification, but you can think of this view as a private chat session with yourself where each message is a single journal entry you've previously created. The image to the left shows this list view populated with previously written journal entries. This view will be empty the first time you run the Journaled application. To add a new journal entry, you must select the pencil icon in the lower right-hand corner of this list view. Next, you'll be presented with a selection of what type of journal entry you wish to create. Currently, Journaled ships with a broad range of journal categories and types. We continually add new journal types based on user feedback. If you don't see what you'd like to journal, please tell us via our website, www.journaled.com. Please provide what you'd like to see and we'll work to get it addressed as soon as possible. Once you select the type of journal entry you want to create, you'll be presented with a form to enter relevant information for the activity. We've built into each journal type predefined fields to capture information that is relevant for the type of activity. You don't have to fill in every field. What you enter in the form is what gets maintained in the journal database and that you can search on and find later on. You'll notice that some journal fields provide an autofill feature called a journal dictionary. This feature helps reduce the time required to author journal entries. For example, in the diagram to the right, the field for capturing the type of beer will be autofilled with a range of common beer types. Before saving an entry by pressing the plus icon in the lower right-hand corner of the form, journal entries can be scored with a star level to help remember if an experience was good or bad. Next, we'll cover a few advanced journal entry features. One advanced feature when creating a journal entry is the ability to attach photos. To do this, select the Add Pictures button in the journal entry form. You can attach pictures from your Android Pictures albums, or you can take a picture live by selecting the shutter icon in the upper right-hand corner of the Albums window. A second advanced feature when creating a journal entry is the ability to change the location of a journal entry. This feature is helpful if you want to author a journal entry after you've moved location from where the activity actually took place. To do this, select the Change Location button in the journal entry form. By default, new journal entries will capture your current location as reported by your Android device. If location services is disabled on your device, new journal entries will not include a location in the journal entry. One of the more powerful features of Journaled is a robust searching capability that helps quickly find previously captured journal entries. Searches can be done based on the type of journal entry you are searching or when the journal entry was written. Searches can also be done based on distance from your current location or from a specific custom location. This is helpful to quickly jog your memory based on where you are. Keeping track of the location where a journal entry was created is a fundamental feature of the Journaled application. Once you find the the journal entry of interest, you can view it in detail, including a map of where you captured the moment. From this detailed view, you can also share the experience with others via email. We present on this slide a little more detail on the filtering options available to quickly find journal entries of interest. To access filter options, you first select the menu icon in the upper right-hand corner of the main list view, or you can also swipe your finger from right to left on the main list view. From the option drawer, you can filter by when a journal entry was created using a start date and an end date range, by journal type, by distance from either the current or custom location, or by star level. In addition, all of these filter options can be joined with a text-based filter that can be accessed via the magnifying glass on the journaled main list view. In combination, these filtering options provide a mechanism to quickly go from potentially thousands of journal entries down to a single journal entry of interest. The journaled application provides 3 different ways personal moments can be viewed, as demonstrated on this slide. First, there's the previously mentioned list view, which shows journal entries in a fashion similar to an all-familiar texting session. Next, the map view shows all of the currently filtered journal entries all on a single map. And finally, the detailed view shows a single journal entry in detail, including where the personal moment was had. Before concluding this journal tutorial, there's a few other useful interactions worth covering. First, to delete a journal entry, perform a long press using your finger on the entry in the main journaled list view. Second, to share a journal entry, press the share icon in the upper right-hand corner of the journal entry you wish to share. Currently, you can share a single journal entry via email. We will be adding additional sharing features soon. And finally, Journaled provides the ability to hide journal entry types from view. This feature is helpful to hide out-of-the-box journal entry types that you don't want to use. This feature is also helpful to temporarily hide more personal journal entries from the main list view. To hide journal types, access the Toggle Types menu in the upper right-hand corner of the Journaled selection screen. On behalf of the Journal team, I'd like to thank you for watching this video. The team developing Journaled is very reactive to user requests, so if you have any ideas on how we can make Journaled better, please don't hesitate contacting us via the feedback form on our website, www.journaled.com. Again, I'd like to thank you for joining us.